WestJet announced its largest ever order for 67 Boeing jets. That includes 60 737-10 MAX and 7 7879 Dreamliners on September the 3rd, 2025 to be delivered by 2034. This multi-billion-dollar investment aims to grow the airline's fleet, expand its international and domestic networks, and strengthen Canada's aviation industry. The order increases WestJet's existing order book to 123 aircraft, and it includes more options for more planes, positioning the airline as Canada's leading carrier in future aircraft commitments.